Hey there, welcome back. Friends, before proceeding further, let us quickly check this small little program where we will understand how we can delete a file using a Java program. In order to understand this, I have already added a folder by the name of StudyEasy, and inside this folder we have this file team.txt, and we will try to delete this file using this program. So let's get started. This program is pretty simple. In fact, first of all, we will type in file equals new file, and we will give the path as usual. So the path would be studyeasy/team.txt. Alright, so here is the path. Moving forward, we will type in if file.delete. This particular method will return a boolean value, true or false. So if the deletion is successful, we will print deletion is successful. Alright, so now let's add in the else part. Let me copy this and paste it in here, and the message could be like error while deleting. Alright, so this looks good to me, and now let me execute the program. The output is deletion is successful, which is amazing. Let me right click and refresh the code, and here is the folder where there is nothing. Now if I rerun this program, definitely it will show error while deleting. So this is how we can perform the delete operation, which is a very simple program, a very simple demonstration rather. So this is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. In the next video we will proceed further and check a couple of more interesting things. Thanks for watching.